Write 3x squared minus 6x plus 19 in the form of a x minus p all squared plus q, and then hence find the integral of 3 over 3x squared minus 6x plus 19 dx. Right, so what we need to do, this is called completing the square. So before we complete the square, we look at these two and we'll take out a common factor of 3. So we get 3x squared minus 2x, and we've still got the 19 at the end. And then what you do is you take half of the 2, so you get 3 brackets x minus 1 plus 19. But in doing this, we have actually added in 3 times minus 1 squared. 3 times minus 1 squared is 3. So if we've added in 3, here we need to take 3. So we now get 3 brackets x minus 1 squared plus 16. So that's now in the correct format. Right, so the integral of 3 over 3x squared minus 6x plus 19 dx, using the, it says hence, so replacing this with 16 plus 3x minus 1 squared, and this is like a squared plus x squared, so it's going to lead to something like arctan. So we're going to rewrite the 16 as 4 squared, and we've got 3x minus 1 all squared. So, using the integration by substitution, let u be equal to the square root of x minus 1, i.e. the square root of all this. The u by dx, well, if you integrate if you differentiate that, you're just going to get, integrate that, get 1, and you're just going to get root 3. That means that dx is du over root 3. So, just writing that out again. Right, so our integral 3, we'll take the 3 out of the integral side of 1 over 4 squared plus 3x minus 1 squared. So this is like 1 over a squared plus x squared. So it's we're going to be using arctan. So this is going to be 1 over 4 squared plus my u, which is u squared, and then I need to replace dx with du over root 3. Now, so the integral of 1 over a squared plus x squared dx is 1 over a arctan x over a plus c. So this is going to be taking that root 3 out of the integral sign. So we're going to get 3 over root 3. And this will become 1/4, 1 over a, arctan u over 4, x over a, plus c. Don't forget now, we can now replace back the u, so it gives 3 over 4 root 3. The 4 comes from there. Arctan, u was root 3 x plus 1 over 4. If we rationalise this, we get root 3 times root 3, which is 3, and then we get 3 root 3 at the top, and the 3's will cancel out, so we end up with root 3 over 4, arctan root 3 x plus 1 over 4 plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to integrate 1 over quadratic, which leads to a final result of arctan. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.